Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to introduce you our V16 model. This is it. As you can see, this is still a white box because, as you know, we are a manufacturer. And while I'm opening the box, this is a menu. Let's start from this corner. An extra cloth for the mop, and this is the small water tank with the mop, so you could just peel it off and stick it on. A very good size remote control here. It's easy to pick up like this. Nice. And these two come together. The full range adapter and the charging station like this. So basically just attach this one together and next to a wall. And don't forget this one, two AAA size 7 batteries. This is the hero, but let's see what's underneath it first. This is a small tool for you to clean up the dustbin and stuff, so you could brush it, dust it out. An extra HEPA filter and 2 pairs of brushes. So let's get back to the main hero here. Please remember to remove this one when the first time you use it. And basically, this is a gyroscope tech product, meaning it runs in zigzag way like this, path planning with memories. And as you can see, this is a 35. Well, you probably couldn't see, but this is a 35 centimeter wide border. That means it's like 3 to 4 centimeters wider than a normal version. Means in a run of coming back and forth, that's about 5 to 6 centimeters wider. So more efficient compared to other models, in a way of saying. So more efficient means you need to have a bigger dustbin, and yes, it does come with a 450 milliliter dustbin, and you could just easily take out the HEPA if you feel it needs to be cleaned, and this can be water washed. But before you use it again, please make sure this is already sun dried. And that's the extra one. And just really easy to take it out and put it back, just like that. And behold, it doesn't, fall off because of this bit have some magnet here on the lid, so it doesn't fall down. And when I turn it over, maybe you can see this area. It contains a 2600 mAh battery with a NIDAC brush inside, which generates about 1200 PA real test power from here, the suction power. And it can be divided into 3 levels, the normal one, the silent one, and the strong mode. They could also be controlled by the remote in here. So basically this button. And then with the 2600 mAh battery, it also could run about 120 minutes, and it could cover about 120 square meters. So consider that, in the area have some kind of furniture inside of it, takes about 40 to 50% of the area. It means it could pretty much covers up a 200 square meters of a flat. So I would say it is quite a big area. And then when the battery drops lower than 20%, it will automatically go back to the charging station. And please bear in mind that when you put this one against the wall, next to the wall, remember, in its radius, about 1 meter radius, have nothing to block its signals, so it could come back to the charging by itself more smoothly. And what's more is this is the water tank, right? Listen to this. It's just like that easy. So like take it off, it's just like that, because it comes with two huge magnet underneath it, and just the water tank to fill in some water here. It's just really nicely designed. Personally, I think this one is really fun to take it off and on. And what's more is if you spend a few dollars more, from us as a manufacturer, you could get a version updated to a Wi-Fi and app version, which means you could set up some schedule in your phone. Let's say you're going to work at 9 a.m. and then you could just set it to start cleaning your flat, your apartment at 9:30, and then when you got home, the flat is already very clean. Isn't that what you want? And what's more is it also comes with voice control. So basically, you could use your Echo speaker, or in your phone, you could just like shout out, "Hey, Alexa, turn on vacuum robot," and then it just start on. And isn't that very useful? So thank you for watching. Hopefully next video I will show you how it does in a real life. Thank you.